Have you ever been frustrated with Windows search showing web results, when all you wanted was to find a file on your device? Well, I've got great news, and a powerful trick just for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to Valley 4 Techs. Today, we're diving into a game-changing update for Windows users. Microsoft is finally separating Windows search from Bing, and by default, local search will only show results from your device. Web search will now be an optional toggle. Exciting, right? But here's the catch, it's still in development, and we don't know exactly when this update will roll out. Until then, I'll show you an easy way to disable Bing search in the Start menu and enjoy a faster, cleaner local search experience right now. Here's a sneak peek of the leaked update. You can see how this might look once it's released. But why wait? Let's fix this today using a simple tool called Winutil. Are you ready? Let's get started. Until this update rolls out, most Windows users will be stuck with the current setup. Windows search pulls search results from Bing by default. As in my case, as soon as I click on the search bar, news and offers from the web appear. For example, when I search for the putty tool on my device, the search results come from Bing. Now, let's try our trick to overcome this. First, open PowerShell with administrator privileges, by pressing Windows key +X on your keyboard. Or right-click on the Start menu and select Windows PowerShell, Admin. Now, type or paste the following command into PowerShell and hit Enter. IRM https://christitus.com/winix. This command will fetch and launch the Winutil tool. Don't worry, it's safe and trusted by many users. Just wait for a moment while the tool loads. Once it's ready, you'll see a window with a variety of options. Now, in the Winutil tool, follow these simple steps. Click on the Tweaks tab. Navigate to the Customize Preferences section. Uncheck the option labeled Bing Search in Start menu. And boom! You've now disabled Bing integration in the Start menu. Now, instead of wasting time scrolling through irrelevant web results, your Windows search is dedicated to files and apps on your device. It's simple, efficient, and puts you back in control. If you found this trick helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who's been complaining about Windows search, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips like this. Let me know in the comments, what's one Windows feature you wish Microsoft would fix next? Want more tweaks? The Winutil tool has a ton of customization options to supercharge your Windows experience. Explore it and thank me later. Thanks for watching Valley 4 Techs. Until next time, stay tech savvy.